Yo, what's up, Learn How to Draw Hub crew? So today you guys had the option between a drawing tutorial or tips on how to improve your drawing. You guys chose the drawing tutorial. So today we're going to be learning how to draw a scientist. I'm excited. I hope you guys are as well. Now, one more thing. If you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that right now. Awesome. Well, let's go get down to the drawing. Let's go see what we can come up with.
So to begin, we're going to start off by making two big circles for the eyes of our scientist. Now we're going to make the first circle over to the left. Great. Now we're going to move a little bit over to the right and we're going to make the second circle. Awesome, so now we have two circles. So we're going to make another circle around each circle that we just made. The reason for this is because we're making glasses for our scientist. Now we're going to connect those circles that we just made with a little shape that is similar to a boomerang. Now above that little boomerang shape that we just made, we're going to make a big curved line connecting each of the circles that we previously made. Now moving below, we're going to make a big U-like shape, which will be the nose for our scientist. Whoa, that's a really big nose. Now in those circles that we previously made, we're going to begin to add some pupils as well as eyelids. I used to love to watch Bill Nye the Science Guy, but this doesn't look very much like Bill Nye the Science Guy at all. Now underneath of that big nose that we made, we're going to begin to add a very big bushy mustache. It's almost going to look kind of like a cloud. Fantastic! Now we're going to move up by the eyes, and we're going to make a C-like shape on each side. Now this will be the ears. I think this looks kind of funny. I think it kind of looks like Mr. Potato. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to make some rectangular shapes that will be connecting to the eyes of our scientist. Now for the eyebrows, if you want to make yours a little crazy, that's okay, but I'm going to make a couple just basic lines. Now coming down from those C-like shapes for the ears, we're going to make a couple lines coming down, one on each side. Now this will be the body of our scientist. Now let's connect those two lines that we just made with one line going across. Now underneath of that line that we just made, we're going to make two arms. We're going to begin over on the left side. The arms are going to be parallel lines. We're going to make the torso kind of like a rectangle, so we're going to make that shape right now, and then we're going to begin to make the right arm. Fantastic. Now underneath of that rectangular torso, we're going to make a big U-like shape. Now underneath of this U-like shape that we make, we're going to begin to make the legs and feet of our scientist. Now we're going to go ahead and we're going to color in those legs and feet black. Awesome. Now moving up, we're going to begin to make the tie and add a little bit of detail to the torso of our scientist. Whoa, this is coming along very well. Now we're going to move up above the head and we're going to give our scientist some big hair. It's going to be similar to a cloud, just like the mustache. Now we can hop over to the right side and make the same hairpiece that we just made on the left. Now once we have completed the hair of our scientist, we're going to move back down because we haven't finished the hands just yet. So I'm going to make it appear as if my scientist is holding a couple of beakers in his hands. Now if you just want to make your scientist have normal hands, that's completely okay as well. Or feel free to follow along. Wow, that looks really cool. Now remember earlier on when we made those C-like shapes for the ears? Well, we're going to add a T in each one. Now to conclude this drawing, we're going to finish by giving our scientist some teeth. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw a Scientist. Now let's go color in our scientist together.